I've hidden behind the shadows for a very long time. I want to play a game, a very simple game indeed. I've come out for a reason, and that reason is simple. There is an imposter who thinks he is enthusiastic by posing as a certain someone, thinking he is king of the world, going on channel, messaging him, threatening him, doing everything he does. Well, let me tell you something, Mr. Imposter. Have no life whatsoever. You think you're so all-powerful God on the internet who could hack everyone, who could bother everyone, especially one specific person. Well, you have no life messaging me or that certain someone over 32 times in a row, implying the same goddamn thing over and over again. Do you have a love, passion, or are you in love with this person? Come on, get over yourself. You think you can do everything. You think you're so powerful. Well, get this. You're wrong. And that's one reason why I've decided to, grow the fuck up. Seriously. Everyone here on YouTube, especially that certain person, does not need an imposter. And for one thing, he's never even bothered you. Do you really think that's appropriate, you little scum? You've done this before, and now you're doing it again. Grow the fuck up. You don't make anyone laugh. You're just a pathetic little dot on this face of the earth. And just to let you know, this isn't a warning. This isn't a game I want to play. This is just a rant letting you know you're not. And then you really think you're gonna get away with posing as someone? You're pathetic. Get a fucking life. Oh, what does this world come to? Where, instead of me offering you a chance to live, you're hacking or succeeding. You say it in every goddamn message. You can go fuck yourself for all I care. I'll offer you this. Get over it. Grow up. And go do something with your pathetic life instead of sitting behind a computer and making a fake profile of someone and just trying to keep pissing them off. It's not gonna work. It's old, it's kiddie-ish. So, like I said before. Goodbye, tingly balls. Jigsaw out.